Hey everyone, welcome back again to the channel. How are you doing today? So for this video, I would advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end. Do not skip any part so that you don't get to miss any single part. The process are very simple, so I want you to watch, and if you have any questions you can leave it in the comment section. Do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up and also share the video as well. For this style, I'm going to start by sectioning the hair into like 3 different portions. The front portion, which is going to be like a tiny section, like a tiny little section, then the middle portion or middle section, and then the outer section. So after parting everything, I'm just going to take the outer portion or outer section and just cornroll it like a loose cornrow, or cornroll it loosely. This is so that I can properly braid the middle portion of the hair, and also so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm trying to cornroll the middle part or the middle portion, and also so that you guys will be able to see what I am doing like clearly. I don't want anything to obstruct your views. For the middle portion, I'm just going to go ahead to start cornrolling it this way, and while I'm cornrolling it, I'm going to be adding the tip of the previous cornrow to the present cornrow, if that makes sense. Or basically, I'm just going to be hiding the tip of each cornrow to each other. Hope you get. And then for the last tip or the last cornrow tip, I'm going to use needle and thread to secure it. Alright, now to the main thing. For this client, she actually brought like her old extensions for me to actually sew in. So this is like a sew in tutorial. So I'm going to be using, I don't know how many bundles she brought, but she brought like enough extension for me to sew in. So we start by installing the bundles like so. At this point, I'm going to allow you just watch the video so that you get to understand what I am doing, the whole process. Like I said before, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Share the video to friends and family. Subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a big thumbs up. And yeah.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find us. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. You know I'm just that type. No, You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, when you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
So after sewing, I packed everything, like I added everything, including her natural hair and the extension at the back. I just packed everything into a pony. So I lost the clip where I was packing the hair into a pony. I also lost the clip where I actually installed extension in front of her hair. That's the front portion. I installed extension on it so that it will be a bit longer and so that it will fit her face. So if you want to see a video on that, just let me know in the comment section. I'm so sorry I lost the clip, so I wanted you guys to see the whole sewing at the back. But if you want to see a video of how I installed extension in front, you can let me know in the comment section as well.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know me. Music chose me, just know this and know